Very good morning, students. I, Asad Patel, welcome you to study from home. Today, I am going to begin the chapter number 2 from hunting, gathering to growing food, history, class 6. Correct? So, in this chapter, we talked about early people, why they keep on moving. Now, how do we know about these people? Like we come to know about these people by archaeologists. Now, who is an archaeologist? Archaeologist is a person who study past remain. Right now, let me directly explain about finding toward satellite has been done. Now, let me explain about toward a settled life, right? In that second paragraph, that is stone tool have been found from many sites, right? So site is already told you the place where early human live and left behind, and that is studied by archaeologists and scientists very carefully. So they call that place site. Many of these are different from earlier Paleolithic tools. Okay, see, student, first this archaeologists find tools. Okay, stone tools, and some remains things of early some remain things which were used by the early human. But these stone tools and weapons were different from each other. That's why this scientists and archaeologists categorize these tools in a three different category. First is a Paleolithic tool, second is a Mesolithic tool, and third is Neolithic tool. So the place where this scientist, this archaeologist found tools were polished and fine cutting edge. Okay, and also found mortars and pestles, right? So that's why these tools are known as Neolithic tools. Understood? Understood, student? Okay, now what is mortars and pestles? Let me show you photograph. Okay, what is mortar and what is pestle, students? Can you see this pit? Like this type of pits, even these days you would find in old houses, okay, which is made up of a wood and mud. Okay, generally this kind of pits are found in kitchen. Okay, now any idea? Okay, so this is pestle, this is mortar and pestle, this is modern. Okay, and that is ancient, which is used by the early human. Understood? So they use this mortar and pestles for grinding, for grinding uh, grinding grains and plants produce. For example, today we grind spices, ginger, garlic in this pistol. Even in these days, okay. So several thousand at the same time, tools and tools Paleolithic types continue to made and use, and remember some tools were also made up of a bond. Okay, they also use made up of a made handle. Okay, they use bonds to making handle. Okay, many kinds of earthen pots have been found. Why earthen pot? Because they start living in settlement. Okay, they start living in a single place. Why? For agriculture purpose. So they have to store food in earthen pot. So they invent, okay, earthen pots. Some were decorated and some were not decorated. People began to using pots for cooking food, right? First they were consuming meat. Then they, after the invention of this fire, they consume roasted meat. Now they started cooking, they start cooking food like grain, rice, wheat, and lentils. That now became an important part of the diet. Okay. In a many area, like this, settled life would not spread everywhere in the world, but in some area, people were combine this activity, like they practice agriculture as well as they practice this hunting and gathering according to the season. Clear? Okay, living and dying in Mehergarh. Okay, another point. You can see the house. Okay, Mehergarh is very important site for archaeologists. Why? It is very important site for archaeologists because archaeologists could find some important thing. An archaeologist find that Mehergarh is a place where first uh, agriculture was initiated from that place. Okay. Animal herding and rearing start from this place. Okay. Now, second thing, they give a lots of respect to the relative and people who die. Why? They believe that there is a life after death. Okay, somewhere. Like they are not sure where the life exists after death, but they believe that there is a life after death. So they prepare when the person die, they prepare, like they pack the grain, animal, jewelry, okay, and bury along with all this material. Okay, so you can find some skeleton, okay, burial from Mehergarh. Okay, elsewhere, cave painting also very famous in early human, right? Like for some archaeologists believe that they painted a wall on a special occasion, or sometime they make a prayer before hunting, right? And some believe that they are fond of art and craft. Okay, these were they use minerals, iron ore and charcoal to paint. Like you can see this very beautiful painting founded by four school children in France. So you can see the remains of an early human find in not only Asia but as well as Europe. Okay. Second thing, Neolithic site in a Turkey. Like they they use a different material. Okay, like they flint from Assyria, cowries from the Red Sea, cells from the Mediterranean Sea, and use a settlement, right? So maybe we can say, the exchange of an idea, like they don't have wheel, they don't have a fast transportation system. All the way they travel by feet or carry on a back of pack animal, like such as a cattle or by people. So they travel long distance and they settle for a few months or a few days, and between this time period they exchange their idea with each other, right? This is how the farming, animal rearing can be spread. Understood? So student, this is all for this chapter, right? So this is all for this chapter. uh, Thank you very much and have a nice day.